Hi, Kamabuhayers, Kamabuhay. Once again, I'm here in Chowking, Lanang, the beef service. Thank you, ma'am. With my favorite Chowking wonton noodles. Yes. And of course, announcing to everyone, their what's this? Bitso or mochi. It is already in a new form with assorted. Yeah, the original and the peanut plus the chocolate flavored. I've already eaten the peanut flavored. Let's try the chocolate. This is the chocolate. Super. This thick. Namit niya kung sa ilubo. I love Chowking as much as I'm putting already super loaded with new products or food plus refreshing pineapple juice. Good for the body. Juicy. We are done with our welcome to the uninvited movie promotion of Vilma Santos, Terzo Cruz, Nadine Rostri, and of course Agamodak. Ketchup is already there. All of them also included Lucid Hotel. And a few minutes ago with the accessibility connection of Nonoy Remain of the Steros. I was able to penetrate one of those rooms. Welcome Vilma Santos and the cast of the uninvited movie. So this afternoon, she will be in guys, we are here, Gym Moldabaw. Dahil nagutom ang Ilonggo ng Chowking, anay ko. Iba na po ko ato sa kupang dala ko makdo dyan. I love the taste of Chowking. Love it. Come down, Kamabuhayers, join me as I have my lunch. This is my lunch already. Thank you, Nonoy Rene Besteros, my parente, friend, and Kapatalinyo Kabilmanyan for including me in the list of welcomers of the movie Vilma Santos, the uninvited.